Hi, my name is Jessica Garten, and this is my supervisory platform. Supervision happens outside the office, and I firmly believe that as a building leader, you must get out of the office and into the building. As an educator, I recognize and remember when I see building leadership in the halls and classrooms of our school. I appreciate their presence, and so do our students. A simple hello in the hallway passings, or a quick observation or engagement in a classroom builds a foundation for a respectful and trusting relationship between building leaders, teachers, and students. Relationships are key to the success of teachers and students. Building leaders should take the time to observe and question teachers. They should engage in in-depth conversations about their courses, projects, goals, and new ideas. A building leader should foster teacher reflection and autonomy. When teachers feel appreciated and respected for their work, they will always do more than is expected, and our students will benefit greatly. A building leader should be attentive to the challenges of the classroom and strive to provide appropriate supports. Building leaders encourage and foster collaboration among educators and administration. Student achievement should be the result and ultimate goal of this collaboration effort. Hands-on leadership. As a supervisor or building leader, I will make relationships with teachers and students a priority. I look forward to engaging in considerable dialogue with teachers to learn about their learning and teaching styles and philosophies. I wish to know their goals, their ideas, their passions. I want to work with teachers to develop a curriculum design that benefits all students. I want to put in the work with my teachers so we can all be proud of our efforts and take pride in what we will hopefully be triumphs. Inclusive culture as a building leader is my wish to engage not only educators and students, but involve parents and community members in the developing a safe and culturally inclusive learning environment. I want to work with teachers to develop a high expectation for student behavior and model what is to be expected as educators and building leaders. Effective instructional practices will provide supports for educators to triumph challenges in the classroom by utilizing data and research for best practices. Foster an attitude for enhanced learning and growth for all educators to grow in their profession. Develop core practices such as student-centered learning for every classroom in a manner that respects teachers' personal beliefs and enhances student engagement. In doing so, providing opportunities for growth and learning will always be a priority of building leaders. I look to always be learning. I want to never be satisfied with where I'm at. I want to always be growing professionally. I hope to be a leader that is kind, honest, and respectful. A leader that is respected and trusted. I understand I may not always be liked at times by others, but I hope to always hold their respect, even in disagreement. I want to look towards the veteran teachers for assistance in developing a culture among teachers. As colleagues, we are each other's best assets. I hope to foster a collaborative environment where we can all have something to learn and gain from each other. And most of all, I hope that when I am standing before challenges, that I will always look to my beliefs and values to guide my decisions and not allow outside pressures to influence me. I believe there are two types of leaders. There are leaders and those who lead. Leaders are those who simply hold a position of authority, but those who lead inspire others. I hope to be a leader who leads others. I hope to lead by example, to model the behaviors I value and those I value in others. I hope to be a leader who inspires others with what I believe and who share my why. Thank you.